Okay, so this is my map. It shows Assateague Island State Park. So I'm going to go ahead and create a layout. So you just go to Insert, New Layout. I usually do this ANSI Landscape 8.5 by 11. Okay, so then you go to Insert, and you can insert your map frame. So my map frame is called Assateague Maryland Base Map. So I'm going to go to Add Map Frame, Assateague Maryland Base Map. And then you basically just do a square in the size you would like. So I'm going to do about this size. Okay, and it should show the extent that is shown in your map. Yep. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add things like a title, a legend, north arrow, and scale bar, which you can see is all up here. The title, I usually go ahead and do straight text. Okay, and my map is called Land Cover and Horse Populations. Okay, that's way too big. So I'm just going to resize that. Okay. And then there we go. If you click on the text, you can actually edit it over here in the Format Text window. In Assateague Island State Park. Okay, and it should, there we go, should automatically update that. I'm gonna move my title over here so it's nice and lined up with my map frame. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add in a scale bar. I usually go for either scale line 1 or 2. Okay. And I usually go ahead and make it so that it goes up to 1 mile. Just think it looks better that way. Just keep making it shorter. There we go. Okay. So then I'll kind of put that in the middle. Okay. And then north arrow. I usually put this one in. I just think it looks nice. And there you go. Usually put it like closer to here. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my legend. I usually just do legend 1. And then, just like the map frame, I'm gonna create a square shape where I want the legend to be. And there you go. So this dot 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 just means it's a little too small of an area, so there we go. Okay, so then if you want to add more text, you can just do straight text. Like usually I'll put oh, that's way too big. I'll do like map created by me. Make that smaller. There we go. And I usually add in another text box for credits. So depending on where you got your data sets, Mine were from the Natural Resource Department of Maryland. Okay, and again, you can just double click to edit anything you want to edit, or single click if you just want to resize it. Okay, so for this, I'm going to just make it fit my layout better. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much a basic map layout. Another thing which can be helpful is if you want to change your view in your map frame, all you do is click on it and go to Layout and click Activate. So this is going to allow you to move your map frame, zoom in, out, whatever you want to do to change that. So I'm actually going to move my map over to the side there. And then once you're done, you just go up here to Activated Map Frame, Layout, Close Activate. So the reason I moved my map over to the left is because I'm going to go ahead and add an inset map with an extent indicator. So in order to do that, you want to go to your tabs up here to Insert, and you're going to insert a new map frame. But before we do that, we want to make a new map for our inset map. So what you're going to do is go to New Map, Add New Map. Okay. And the first thing you want to do, well, it's really your preference, but what I usually do is I go to Map, Base Map, and I'm going to change it to Imagery Hybrid. And then I'm going to zoom into my area, which is Assateague Island State Park. Where are we? Here. Come on. Okay. Alright, so here's Assateague State Park. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. About here. Okay, and then go back to your layout. Make sure nothing's selected. And I'm gonna add a map frame. Usually for inset maps, I do the circle. Just think it looks a little nicer. And then you find the map you just made, which is, for me, it was just called map 1. So, and then again, you just make it the size you want it to be. Mine's going to be about that size. Okay, and I usually just put it in the top right corner. And then you can go up to Extend Indicator and add it to your map frame. So just make sure your map frame is selected, your inset map frame, sorry. Okay, so this is not zoomed in quite enough, or zoomed out quite enough. So I'm going to change that. So I click on it, go to Layout, Activate, and I'm just going to zoom out. Okay, I think that's better. There we go. I think that looks good. So then I go to layout, close activation. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.